Welcome to your tutorials. This is photography tips and angles to avoid. Very short and sweet. When you are photographing your baby, do not photograph from down below. The objects closest to the camera will be and appear the largest. So when you are below, you're going to see the feet and the legs and a lot of skin. And you're going to be looking straight up your baby's nose. So what's distracting will be black holes where the nostrils are, and it's just very distorted. The only time that it's okay is when you are photographing details such as the feet, and then your focal point are the feet. The rest of the body is actually out of focus. Likewise, the same as with the top of the head. Do not photograph from too high above and looking down towards the feet, or the baby's head will look much bigger than it actually is. So try to stay parallel with your baby's face and make sure that you're not zoomed out into a wide angle, or this will also cause distortion.